Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. In this video, you can see we got this insane around 20 kg haul. But without any further ado, we got a bunch of bangers in here. Let's go unbox this thing. All right, first item we got here, super excited for. You can see, man, the lighting today is just beautiful. Today's just been such a beautiful day. But look at these pine greens, man. Oh my God. Smooth as butter. I can smell the Chinese factory glue. It's kind of pissing me off. These are from GX Batch, the best batch in the game. I also got a pair of black hats from them before. Funny story, I can't even wear those anymore because it got sprayed by a skunk, but that's a long story. It wasn't my fault. Let's do a little legit check. The grill over here is diagonal. Toe box pops right back up. Back tab pops right back up. 6 eyelets, check. Jumpman has 4 fingers, check. SB on the back isn't too close to the edges, check. Check the other pair as well. And yeah, overall, this is a very solid pair. No one is ever going to be able to legit check you on this because they're the same as retail. All right, next up, we got this spider hoodie from Pika. This is a size medium. It looks really big, probably because I don't have a lot of space left on my desk. But let's take a look at the inside tags. This tag over here, it could be better in my opinion, but the material is right on it. It is a different material. And the spider tag, very nice. All my other spider hoodies I got from Pika came pre-shrunk. I guess this one's just a little different. Never mind the punk. Here's the slime. Absolutely stunning. I got so much spider coming. It's actually crazy. But stay tuned for that. S logo on the back with the stars. Very nice. And you know what? You can't get the hoodie and forget the sweatpants. It's like, you gotta get them together, boys. And that's exactly what we got here. Take a look at that. This entire print on the leg. Dude, absolutely crazy. I don't own anything this flashy. All right, take that back. I do own some pretty flashy pieces. But this is most definitely up there. It feels really wide. I don't know how I feel about the fit, but overall, just in terms of design, give this thing like a 9 out of 10. All right, next up, we got this Denim Tears hoodie from Angel King, the best seller for Denim Tears. And man, just right off the rip, this puff print, if you've seen my budget batch, this is like 10 times more close to retail than whatever I got before. This was back when Denim Tear reps were pretty new to the game. So yeah, now I finally picked up a pair from the GOAT of Denim Tears, Angel King himself. And yeah, I gotta say, man, he really does his thing on this. You can see the inside tag right over here. Boom, looking very good. My brother wears my old one all the time. He loves it. This one's like 10 times better, so I'm gonna have to give it a 10. All right, next item we got here is a Supreme tee. I'm not gonna lie, I was supposed to get a different style, but before I checked out, I didn't realize and I clicked the wrong one and I got this one. I'm honestly not a big fan. It does say pre-shrunk cotton, but this is fucking huge for a medium, so you might want to size down. Oh, it has a design on the back too. What's it say? Supreme, of course. And just like most of these Supreme reps, it comes with a Supreme bag, which is very funny. Rating wise, it looks a little big. Material, honestly, on these Supreme reps, you just can't go wrong. This is the softest material. Even the hoodie I got last haul, absolutely beautiful. 10 out of 10 for material. For design, 0 out of 10. On to the next. All right, this next item here is this Chrome Hearts keychain. And as you can probably see from my keys, I love putting random shit on my keys. Shout out to my boy, he got me these from Anime Con. And now, boom, snaps on just like that. Got a little chrome dagger, got 2 chrome dice, and a whistle. Wait, let me see if this works. Well, it doesn't whistle, but it does make a wind noise. I'm so disappointed that it doesn't whistle, honestly. I thought it would whistle, but still, this is a very fun item. All right. Ken, do you even wear pants? Well, yes, I fucking wear pants. Only one pair of pants in this haul though. No Fate Studios. Got a phone number and a fax written on the tag. I don't know what the tag's supposed to look like. That's funny though. Got a No Fate Studios tag here and some random ass Chinese tag from the seller. And damn, bro, these are absolutely wild. I like the distressing. It's very well done. I'm pretty sure the way this is distressed, it doesn't actually fray the actual material underneath, which is very nice. But look at this. Look at that wash. It's a gradient. I have no pair of pants like this. Unique score, 10 out of 10. Very unique. In terms of wearing score, look how awfully wide leg these things are. I don't know how I'm gonna wear these, but for uniqueness, dude, 10 out of 10. All right, next up we got some Balenciaga. You know, if you watched my last video, I got this in black and I absolutely loved it. I've worn it so much. And again, Balenciaga fucking everywhere. And this is all embroidered, by the way. This is not just like printed on. This is embroidered. This patch over here is embroidered. The middle is printed. This bottom patch is printed. Side patch also embroidered. Absolutely lovely. You can see Tokyo number 10. Overall, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. Alright, next up we got this Maison Margiela t-shirt. Obviously, just look at this design, man. Get close on this. Is that not beautiful? Can't tell me that's not beautiful. Nothing on the back other than obviously the Margiela tag. You know, look on the inside. Boom, made in Italy. Very, very nice. So this is all like embroidered on as well. This is a patch, like look at that. That's a patch. Thick material, 10 out of 10. I'll let you guys know how it holds up after the wash and everything. I have high hopes because obviously embroidered, not printed on, so these obviously last so much longer. And man, follow up one t-shirt with another one, another banger. Ken Carson t-shirt, not a lot to say here, but T-Nex. I thought T-Nex was a great album, but man, his new stuff, A Great Chaos, just 10x better than anything he ever dropped in the past. Ken just gets better with every single drop. He's just one of those artists. He doesn't fall off. He actually puts time in his craft and he's just getting better every album. So yeah, very W piece, 10 out of 10, bro, just because of how much I love Ken. Alright, next up we got this Balenciaga political campaign tee. And this thing is fucking huge. I hope it shrinks in the wash because I'm not wearing this shit like this. The print, I don't know if it's supposed to be centered or not because, is it centered? The whole cut of this is like kind of weird to me. I don't know if this is good. Or maybe I'm tripping, but yeah, very simple t-shirt. Probably give it a 5 out of 10. The proportions just don't seem right. Alright, then we got the two items that I'm most disappointed about. This Saint Laurent sweater and this LV sweater. Man, I had high hopes for this one. This Saint Laurent one just said lint magnet. Throw it in the garbage. This LV one, so this is actually the back. It's supposed to have the print only here. For some reason it also has on the back. These were not even budget. I'm just really disappointed. Louis Vuitton tie, I mean, get this shit out of here. Alright, next up we got the trash bag. This polo thing, it's not that good. Taking a look at the inside. This tag is slanted. What the fuck? How do you even mess that up? The tags, oh, it comes with the original tags. Yeah, no one cares. No spelling mistakes that I can see. But the issue, these drawstrings are completely wrong. These are supposed to be circular. These aren't even metal. These feel super cheap, super plasticky. Trash item. The zipper color is also wrong. I'm gonna be throwing this in the charity box. Alright, next we got this unbranded hoodie from Gideon GN. You can't make a Ken video and forget the unbranded, man. I got this hoodie before. I had to buy it in another size. I got the small last time, or I got the medium last time. I picked up a small as well. Both sizes fit me very, very well, and honestly, I just love this hoodie so much. If you haven't seen that one though, let me show you the inside. Look at that thing, man. Soft as a rabbit. 10 out of 10 softness. It's like a lot thicker than you'd expect it to be. It is very cropped, so keep all that in mind. 10 out of 10 product, man. I'd buy like 10 more of these if they were in stock. All right, last two items, we got these Vuja Dé Tees. Man, they're so soft. If you don't know what Vuja Dé is, it's, I'm not even gonna tell you. It deserves to be gate kept. I'll probably even blur out the brand name if I'm in a bad mood later today. But yeah, overall, man, these tees are just so soft. These are their 007 tees. They call them the Jake tees. Very nice. I don't have them on the website yet. I'll get all these products on there that are good. Man, those LV sweaters, bro, I'm actually gonna burn them. Like, they don't even deserve to go to charity because like some homeless guy's gonna get them and be mad because this shit ain't one-to-one. Like, bro, those were so bad. Like, I'm so mad about that. I was actually looking forward to those. But yeah, overall, it's been a good haul. I'd rate this haul a 6 out of 10 because those two fucked me up so bad. And the Ralph thing, fuck that. Hope you guys had a good one, and I'll see you boys later. Peace.